young boy of a cinnamon golden point color. Wonderful rexing on him. That coat is exquisite. The curls are absolutely beautiful. Only old enough to be in this class. He has got beautiful body, really nice straight hind legs, fabulous proportions, beautiful Selkirk Rex head, lovely type, very, very friendly, so easy to handle. He's so playful, and today he is my 8th. He's a giant of a cat. He's the largest one of the breeds. Long rectangular body on him, beautiful long tail to match, fabulous boning. Those bones is amazing. He's got broad chest, he's got broad rib cage, very distinctive look to his head, a nice rectangular muzzle, strong chin, beautiful ear placement, really nice coat. He's wonderfully prepared. He's got wonderful temperament, very easy to handle. And today he is my 7th.